So welcome back everybody to a follow-up video of the recently released time-lapse of my PC build. The PC build was done in the ending stages of last year and the beginning months of this. And even though I have quite a long history of building PCs, almost 30 years now, there were several things that I this time challenged myself to, which didn't go according to plan. And with hindsight, there were mistakes made by me that I wanted to share with you, so that if you're interested in doing something similar, which on the most parts is a really fun thing to do and turned out really well overall. There are still simple, almost beginner mistakes because I wasn't aware of didn't know the subject matter well enough to avoid these pitfalls. For this whole video, I wanted to split it into 4 parts. I wanted to talk about the components that I use for my build and the differences to the builds I did before that I had this time around. I wanted to talk about the different types of modding that I this time used, which were quite frankly, for me, going off well of the beaten path, and rather than following the steps I did before. I wanted to talk about the water cooling aspect of the build and generally about the mishaps that I had in this whole build and how I made them and basically how you could easily probably avoid them and get an even better finish or a better result that I had now.